Learn how to use the profit and loss report to review and edit transactions in your organization. To view the profit and loss report, click Reporting. Then select Profit and Loss from the Favorite Reports section. The profit and loss report shows your business's income, expenses, and profit for a specific report period. Use the report to identify unusual balances that could be errors you need to fix. First, choose a date range. Click the drop-down arrow and choose a preset range, or set a custom date range. In this example, we'll select last month. Select the Compare With drop-down to choose a date range to compare to the specified period. We'll select 1 month. If you have tracking categories, you can choose to compare them or apply a filter to customize the data you see. In this example, we'll leave these fields blank. Click Update to run the report. We can see the income and expenses for each month, which we can compare to help identify significant differences that could indicate inaccurate data. To add a variance, click Edit Layout. Click the column icon at the top of the page. Then choose Variance. Select the most recent month for the first column and select the earlier month for the second column. Click the checkbox to show the variance as a percentage. Click Update Layout to apply the changes. Xero calculates the percentage variances and uses arrows to indicate whether there's an increase or decrease in the income and expenses. A green arrow indicates a positive difference, which would be higher income or lower expenses in the most recent month compared to the older month. A red arrow indicates a negative difference, which would be lower income or higher expenses in the most recent month compared to the older month. Review the percentage variance to identify balances that require further investigation. Here we can see a big increase in light, power, and heating, which looks unusual and isn't as expected. Click the figure that needs further investigation to view the account transactions report. This report shows each transaction recorded in the date range. There's a transaction in the account for $750 that's for electrical work to the studio, so it's in the wrong account. Click the transaction to view the details. Click Options and select Edit Transaction to move the transaction to the correct account. Select the Account drop-down to edit the account. In this example, we'll choose Repairs and Maintenance rather than Light, Power, Heating. Then click Update. Rerun the report to confirm the variance between the 2 months looks reasonable. Use the profit and loss report to regularly review your financial data to spot errors and keep your records accurate and up to date.